Hello friends, so today we are going to see the Japanese movie and the Japanese drama and the Chinese movie and the Chinese drama in which the boy or a girl has a secret crush or a feeling that he or she expresses it very lately. So let's start the video. On number 1 we have I Love. This is a Japanese movie which is released on 2018. It is also known as by the name of We Love. You can go and watch this movie by these two names. It is a Japanese movie, and in this movie we have a boy whose name is Rin and a girl whose name is Yu. The Rin is always a cold and a rude and a handsome and a popular boy in his school, and the Yu is always awkward and unique, very much unique girl who makes very awkward position, awkward things in public. And Rin and Yu likes each other, and Rin loves Yu, but he never expresses his love to her and always acts rude to her, cold to her, even become violent to her. And Yu also likes the Rin, but always been afraid of expressing her feelings to him. And beside that, there are more two friends in their group whose name is Koyomi and Kita, and they are all friends and they live in the same apartment. Rin and Yu like each other, but they don't tell each other how they feel. To hide his feeling for Yu, Rin often makes the remarks also cold behavior to her, and Yu doesn't know that Rin likes her, and she is not confident to tell him that her feelings. So the Kazuma then appear in front of them, and then everything become very much different, and she thinks that he hates him, he hates her. This makes the condition, and then after that how the feelings develop between them, between each other, and how they expresses the love to each other in a very unique style. Go and watch this movie and you will definitely love this movie, and you will also love the friendship shown in this movie. So don't waste your time and go and watch this beautiful movie You I Love. On number 4 we have A Love So Beautiful. A Love So Beautiful is a Chinese drama which was released in December 2017. In this, we have Chen Xiaozi and Jiang Chen. These two are the classmates at Chenji Secondary School and have been neighbors since kindergarten. Chen Xiaozi is a cheerful girl who does not study much, is expressive about her admiration toward Jiang Chen. Jiang Chen is a popular student for his good looks and his high grades. However, Jiang Chen is very shy and doesn't express his love or his feelings for anyone. The girl confesses she likes the guy, but the guy keeps it secret that he also likes her. And then they both started the preparation for the university examination during their journey through their secondary school and towards adulthood. She expresses her love to him, but he did not tell her that he also likes her. How their feeling gets stronger day by day, also encouraging each other for achieving the dreams for each other, and how he decides to confess his love for this. This drama will give you many ups and down feeling, and also will make you very much laugh. So go and watch this drama. After this, we have Real Girl 2018 Japanese movie. In this, the Hikaru Tsutsui is a high school student. He enjoys animation and video games in a virtual world, but he doesn't enjoy his real life. People at his college doesn't even know he exists. And one day, he meets his classmate Iroha Ikarashi. Iroha is very cheerful girl and opposite to him. And one day, as he was sentenced for pool cleaning duty for being late, and he is paired with the beautiful but reputed troublemaker Iroha Igarashi. When Iroha asks if he would like to be in relationship with her, Ikari agrees. However, there is a catch. Iroha is moving in 6 months owing to her father's work transfer. Iroha is full of life and also troublemaking girl at the same time, but slowly Hikari loves her company and he also starts to live life full of happiness, and he began to live life reality and get out his gaming world and comes to his real world and begin to fall in love with this girl who completely changes him, and both started to begin real feeling. But one day he comes to know that Iroha is going far away from him because she is going to new place because of his father transfer, and he get broke, and he then decide to stop her. And finally what happened will really make you fall in love in this movie. And go and watch this movie, you will experience the real feeling of a life, happiness, emotions and friendship. It is a very really well entertaining movie and also a mix of full of emotions. On number 2 we have Switch Girl. A Switch Girl. This is the story of Nika Tamiya, the most popular girl at her high school is a switch girl. In a public, she is in her on mode, where she is a put together, charismatic and fashionable girl. However, in private, she is in her off mode. In off mode, where she is unorganized, unfeminine, and lazy. One day, Arata Kamiyama transfer into her class and move into her apartment building. Not only does Arata discover Nika's secret, but he also has an on and off mode, where in his off mode, he reveals he is secretly handsome. As Nika urges Arata to keep her off mode a secret, the two begin to learn more about each other and falls in love with each other. Go and watch this and you will surely love this. After that, we have hoping to give you a big hug tonight. It is my personal favorite drama. It is a Japanese drama, and in this we can see the story. It is the story of a strong and individualistic woman college student whose name is Riko Saeki. Riko Saeki is working hard to make her dream come true. She is successful in many ways, but she has a one major problem is she is completely clumsy when it comes to love. Riko tries to find happiness elsewhere, but nothing ever seems to work out for her, and she always keeps remembering the past where she has failed in her expressing her feelings to her first love. In an unexpected twist of fate, Riko finds herself standing face to face with Shuji Ichihara. Shuji Ichihara is a boy who was her first love and her old flame, suddenly back in her life as a co-worker after years apart, and everything become very complicated, and she again start to begin the feeling for her first love, Shuji. But now the other boys who are also co-worker of hers started feelings for Rookie, and it is not going to be easy because they together are caught up in a romantic roller coaster game amongst the three other men and a woman. It is a very romantic drama and also a comedy drama which will give you many mixed emotion, and I just really love this drama. Go and watch this drama. It is my personal favorite drama.